I'm going to unbox the Phillips expandable digital cordless phone. Newest digital technology, 6.0. Plug and play dual power. So I just got to turn it upside down and tip off. Yeah. Baby. Okay, so now it's got this up, down, this up. Okay. Stop. Do not return to the store. Okay. Phillips 1 year limited warranty. Oh. Quick start guide. Okay. Quick start guide in Spanish. Tough announcing machine type. In Spanish. What's up? Okay. First thing there is. So big and this little nice little plastic. It is the answering machine. Look at that. There it is. Very nice. Little rubber feet. Clip to the wall, which is convenient. Just put that to the side. This up. These look like little Phillips batteries, rechargeable batteries. It's good because you need those. If you don't have those, you're kind of stuck. This is the same thing, so I'm just going to put it there. And here is a little phone jack, which I'm not going to use. So I already have it. Right here is the another. Okay, now here's one of the phones. Here it is. It's just a little satisfying noise. Oh, anyway, here it is. It's a very nice little phone. Well, not little, but you know what I mean. There's another one, and then something right in here, which is the other model. So I'm gonna put this on out of package here. Off camera. Same thing, you know. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it doesn't work. Anyway, here it is. And here's the smaller model, which is the little wireless one that, you know, connects to the red and it just works somewhere else. Okay, that's nice. Here are the little power things. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Phillips expandable digital cordless phone. Okay, so yeah, bye.